Hello viewers, today we have Huawei Uno router. It's very good in condition. So now let's go unbox it. You can see the packet, it's Huawei. We got an adapter that will supply the Wi-Fi power, and with that you can see there the power assumption by the adapter. Okay, it's much longer, about 2 feet. I can't show you much from here. Okay, so this is our Wi-Fi router. Let's see this. You can see there is a power port. Here is the power button, the power port, then USB hub, one USB hub, and this is another power supply, and the sections, tributaries. So this is the Wi-Fi, it's in very good condition, so you can buy it, it's very good.